Welcome to the Jet Operations Notam analysis platform. This video will walk you through the basic use of the platform to get you up to speed. After creating your account, the first thing you need is to add at least one aircraft to your fleet. Aircraft are managed in the Fleet tab in the left-hand navigation panel. To add an aircraft, simply click the Add Aircraft button in the top right. You will see a window appear where you can fill in the manufacturer and model of your aircraft, its tail number, how many seats it has, and whether it is RNAV equipped. If you find that your aircraft isn't listed in the manufacturer and model lists, you can add a custom aircraft by pressing the My Aircraft Isn't Listed button. This requires you to enter in some custom information about your aircraft, which is shown on the screen. It's important this information is entered accurately as it influences Notam analysis. Once you have at least one aircraft in your fleet, you can perform your first analysis. Your account comes with 2 free analysis jobs which don't require you to enter in billing information. The Flights tab is where you will see your flight history as well as a button to create new flights in the top right. To create a flight, select your aircraft and the pilot in command. You can then specify if this flight is point-to-point or local around the aerodrome, as well as the flight rules being used. Finally, upload your PDF flight plan. Jet Operations supports flight plans from 4Flight, Oz Runways, and NAPES, SPFIB or local area briefings. Once all the information has been entered, select Create Flight. This will begin to extract the flight details and NOTAMs from your uploaded flight plan. Once this is complete, you'll be able to adjust and confirm the extracted flight details before saving and starting the analysis. It's important to note that if you use a custom 4Flight format, you may need to enter in the flight details manually. Depending on the length of your flight, the analysis may take between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. You will see the current status on the right-hand side. Once complete, you will see the analyzed NOTAMs available for review. NOTAMs are summarized into plain English for quick reference and can be expanded to view the original content. Once you have used up your 2 free analysis jobs, you will need to set up billing to continue accessing the Jet Operations platform. For organizations, this can be found under the Organization tab. For personal users, this can be found in your account settings. Jet Operations operates on a post-paid, pay-as-you-go system where you are only billed for what you use. You can see your monthly usage and estimated cost inside the billing settings. Billing is managed through our external payment provider, Stripe. This includes cancellations. If you're a part of an organization, you have the option to invite other users to share your workspace. This helps keep information together and allows NOTAMs to be reviewed by multi-crew teams without requiring shared accounts or separate analysis jobs. To invite users, ensure you are either an admin or owner and navigate to the Organization tab. Select Invite User in the top right and fill in the required information. This will create a pending invite and email the user temporary login details to join your organization. Invites can also be managed on this page. Thank you for using the Jet Operations platform. We strive to advance aviation technology to make flying safer and easier for air crews around the world.